Hey gamers, taking a drive out to Boltz Lake. In case nobody's been there, I want to show people what the ramp looks like, the access into it and so forth. As a boater, I always kind of wanted to know what things are like before getting there with the truck and boat. Never know if it's tight, get in a pickle, that sort of thing, how parking is. We turned into Boltz Drive from Dry Ridge Mount Zion Road. Ryan's got the camera. I'm going to try to show this road. The road's a one-lane road, kind of 1.5. I got a, I'm not driving it right now, but I got a F-250 8-foot bed crew cab truck, 21-foot boat. I can usually get in here pretty good to the ramp and so forth. But as you saw back there, kind of a sketchy house. We continue on down through here. A little bit of a turnaround spot here. I couldn't do it with my rig and setup, but smaller truck and smaller trailer could probably do it. Widens out here as we pull up to the ramp area. You can see the trucks on the side here, but there is a little bit bigger parking area here up there to the left. We're going to drive on down here like as if we're going to launch. So you kind of come down through here. Again, I was able to do this with the bigger truck and big boat, bass boat. If you look to the right there, Ryan, there's a nice little courtesy dock. So once you put in, you can pull up, tie up if you're by yourself. It's a one-lane launch. As of this spot here, there's no swimming or fishing. But Ryan, if you want to stick that out the window and look to the right, there's the fishing dock over there to the right. Some people out there fishing now. Nice day. As you can see, it's an idle-only lake. You can put in with the big motor, but you can just idle around. Again, it's a nice one-lane ramp. Goes in plenty deep. If you want to hop out there, Ryan, and get a close look at that Boltz Lake regulation sign, everybody can take a look at that. It's a largemouth bass. It has a slot limit. Only bass under 12 inches, over 15 inches may be kept. Channel catfish, 12 inches. White and black crappie, none. Red ear sunfish, no size limit. And sockeye, 14 inches limit. So you can check that stuff out on the Division of Wildlife page. You do got to kind of straighten things out here before you back a boat, down the trailer, or down the ramp, but it's doable. Let's come up here to the parking area. As you come up here after you launch, there is a parking area there. You can get a few up in there. As you see, most people kind of come in here and park along the side so they don't get jammed up in there. But then you just got to swing back out here and then go right back down the ramp area over here to the left. Back down through there. So it's a little bit of a tight turn, but it is doable. It usually doesn't get too crowded. Like right now is a nice spring day and not very many people here at all. So anyway, that's the area for Boltz Lake. Nice little quiet lake to get out, and especially for kayakers too. Really easy to get in and out. People in canoes and so forth. But this is in Dry Ridge, Kentucky, right off of Dry Ridge Mount Zion Road, real close to the exit. So again, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you like the content. We're going to do some more local boat ramps and any ramps really I go to, just for people to see what's there before getting there themselves and possibly getting in a situation they don't want to be in, with the truck and trailer and so forth. Again, A-Game Custom Lures. Like, subscribe. Talk to you later. Thanks.